Okay, it's now Sunday, February 9th, 2020. What have you done to increase your sales? Probably nothing. You're probably in the same spot you were in 2019. I know, I was. And here I had these grandiose visions of what I was going to do in 2020. And then I found this system right below that you're going to take a look at. You've got exactly 11 hours and 35 minutes to get in on this mega deal right now. I got into this last week, approximately 5 days ago. Within the first day of opening up this platform, I made my first webinar. I posted it, and the sales are beginning to come in. My email list is growing by the hour. I cannot believe this. I can't believe that I waited this long to implement something this cool. No longer am I a lone wolf. I am part of the pack. And not only am I part of the pack, I am now becoming the Alpha Pack leader. Go below to www.alphapackleader.com. Take a look. That's all you have to do. Just look. If it's not for you, hit the road, Jack. But if it is for you, get in now, because you're not going to find anything like this for this type of price anytime again real soon. Take a look. www.alphapackleader.com. Take a look at it now. You've got until midnight tonight to make up your mind if this is what you want to do. And if it is, don't worry. You're going to come into my group where our mentors, myself and my mentor, is going to help us hands-on perfect this to a T. You will be a superstar. I can't believe what I'm doing just in a matter of a couple of days, and I'm still a newbie. Unbelievable. Get in. alphapackleader.com. www.alphapackleader.com. Take a look at it.